All right, time for shopping with Terry. We're gonna get some laser materials, and the first one I'm gonna show you here at Lowe's is Lowe's whiteboard. This is the 907231 item that is currently $11.28. It's been rising up. It used to be like $8. It's 0.118 thick, almost 0.12. It is a 4-foot by 32-inch piece. White on the front, black on the back. Cuts great on a Glowforge. This is what you want. If you have any other label than this, do not get it. This label is what you want. 160 to 170 full on a Glowforge. Next to that, we have 4-foot by 32-inch marker board wainscoting. It's a better, I know what the other tag says, but this is not the same size, right? You can see the size difference here, right? So, actually that one says 24 by 36 on the Lowe's whiteboard. So this guy, 4-foot by 32 inches, smooth white on one side, smooth brown on the back. Cuts great on the Glowforge at 130 full. Sturdy, wipes up good, cuts good. $15, can't go wrong. However, this is really what you want. For value, you can get the same thing. It's called smooth white hardboard over here, but it is a 4x8 sheets for $20. Same thing, smooth white followed by smooth brown. It's also called like a tub surround. Same thing, 130 full. I cut it on my Glowforge. I also mostly cut it on my 100-watt laser, where for that one I do 30 millimeters a second at about 45% power. Anyway, I use a ton of that. I should buy that whole stack. And then this was my old go-to. Then I moved up to that, and then I moved up to the 4x8s. So I'm gonna go show you my secondary most used material. So here we are in the cabinet section of Lowe's. Now, Home Depot has the same stuff, although it's on the back wall. Cabinets. So this is something called cabinet scanner panel wrap. Now look, this is 12 by 30 for $20. And it's nice. However, $30 gets you 24 by 36. It's nice, but way better value is this one. However, I'm going to tell you right now, no. Home Depot, you get this for $20. So I'm gonna have to make another trip today. But anyway, in utility panel, cabinet skin, cabinet base. It is beautiful. It is wood texture. It is broken. Anyway, this is awesome for signs, awesome for ornaments. If I'm not using 1/4-inch walnut MDF core, I'm using this. All of my signs and stuff get this, usually on a backer of the whiteboard. So this stuff is awesome. However, I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get the same stuff for $20, and I'll pick you up over there. Sometimes I'll have 2-foot cut off so I can close my tailgate. Fact is, I cut this down into smaller pieces when I get home, so I'm just gonna go with 2 4x4s. So I usually leave them like this, and then I cut them up with my circular saw as needed. into pieces that fit into my 24 by 36 bed of my laser. Yeah, so goodbye Lowe's, Home Depot next. Okay, we're back. We're Home Depot. Everybody says use 3M, and that's too rich for my blood, so this is the 3M I use. Super 77 spray adhesive. It's awesome stuff. I use it on the back. I spray the back layer of anything I'm gluing, and then I press it down. And here's just some facts for you. Awesome. If they're out, I'll get that, or they have Super 90, which is stronger, but Super 77 for the win. And now we're heading to the back wall. You can see the cabinets again, right? So cabinet, I call it cabinet skin. Here they have, you know, Lowe's had 3 sizes. Here they have a lot of sizes. 12 by 30 for 13 bucks. This is the guy right here. No, that's not it. Let me find it. Oh, it's over here. 24 by 84. That was 39 bucks at Lowe's. 23 here. Want to see it? This is the back. And that's the front. It's beautiful. It's consistent. It cuts awesome. You want something to make your ornaments out of? I mean, how many ornaments are you gonna get out of that? And it's just awesome stuff. They also have it like this. This is 4 inches by, I think, 96. Right? So super easy, but this little one is pretty expensive compared to the big one. So I'm looking, I don't see the tag for it. But again, 24 by 84 in panel. We'll look at a couple others while we're here. Sometimes also you can look through it and you'll find a couple of different shades, like some will be redder, some will be whiter. That's pretty white, like the one down there, but I can see here that one's got a bit more of a red tint to it. The little one is called toe kick. This thing that just fell on my toe and I kick it away is a toe kick. But if you're not convinced and you just want to kind of dip your toes, here's a 3 foot by 30 inch for 17. I would go over there. But then we got, like I said, this one, this 1298. Just to try it out, and you'll come back because it's freaking awesome. This stuff, 170, 180 on a Glowforge, full power. On the big laser, I do like, I don't know. I go 30 millimeters a second at like 25 power. It doesn't take a lot because it's pretty thin. But I'm gonna have them cut this in half. Oh, here's a tag for you. This is awesome stuff, people. Just don't tell anybody who told you about it. I don't want them to be running out or jacking up the prices like they do at the Lowe's whiteboard. I just cut 2 foot off of it. But while I'm here, this is the Home Depot section of like the hobby wood. They have some decent stuff. This is what I used to use. This is what a lot of people still use. This 3/16 marker board. My Glowforge, before I got it replaced, stopped cutting this like altogether. 120 full 3 passes is like, it wasn't happening. I don't know how the 100 watt works on it right now, because when I tested it last, it did not cut it. It was horrible. However, I was out of focus, so I need to drop another $9 and try it out again. But when you got that wainscoting for 20 bucks for a 4x8, I'm not really in a hurry to try that again. But yeah, I think that will end our shopping trip. I hope you got some good tips on some awesome materials that will help you make lots of Glowforge projects, lots of laser projects for very little money. And they'll look awesome. So this is Terry, Lithos and Lasers, and I will see you next time.